Hey guys, I ran into an issue. My Xbox controller wouldn't turn on today, so I started looking up tutorial videos and stuff like that, how to fix it. I just got off work. I come home, try to play my Xbox. Controller doesn't turn on. Last night, because my wife kicked my controller somehow, and it dropped something, and today it didn't turn on. I was trying for about 20 minutes, got it to work. I was watching some of you guys' videos on how to use like an Android cable, plug it into the front of the controller here, and then plug the other end to the Xbox. That didn't seem to work. I tried changing the batteries, of course. What ended up working was I grabbed my controller and I started I know it sounds stupid, I'm being like dead serious. I started slamming this controller on like the edge of my bed. I threw it on the floor a couple times and tried to turn it on, and bam, it turned on. So, I mean, I'm being dead serious. I fucking beat the shit out of my controller right now. Not too hard, but not too softly either. So I was punching it a few times, threw it on the floor a few times, worked. So, try it out. I mean, what do you got to lose? It's already broken, right? Try fucking, excuse my language, try freaking throwing it around and then powering it on, see if it works. Mine did. I'm not sure if I turn the controller off and turn it on again, if it's gonna work again, but we'll find out. Any more questions? Any other questions? Comment on this video. And I'll go.